Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin price will be increasing, but my brother, in last 1 hour, completely the price will fails down. In last 24 hours, the price is completely in the profit, 3.74% profit. In last 7 days, 17.95% profit. So that's mean to Dogecoin will be again come to the my friends trend now and gonna be viral now. Definitely, my friend, especially when a holder are starting investing in Dogecoin, so therefore the coin will moving upward now. But when a holder are starting selling, so the coin will fails down. My brother, absolutely, the Dogecoin one of the fastest cryptocurrency. You can see here in all, every month, my friends, they will give you 13.59% profit. But from last, my friend, in June and July, my friend, especially in June, my friends, they will completely viral and they will make a lot of holder, my friend, millionaire now. So therefore I like Dogecoin, and I hope my brothers again and again they will moving upward, they will starting moving upward, and they will give you a profit. But just in only if you are hold, so they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, you are just in only, my friend, invest for a short time, so they cannot give you a good profit. So this is for short term investor, my brothers, to kindly don't invest for short time. Dogecoin is one of the stable and very fastest cryptocurrency. So if you want, my brothers, to invest for a long time, so I think you will be gonna right now kindly invest for a long time. I hope, my brothers, they will make you millionaire now. See you next time. Dogecoin holder, my prediction is totally gonna be positive now, and definitely, my friend, my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Can this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? Please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please, Allah Hafiz.